Talk to me, brother.
2 weeks ago, if you would have told me, I didn't want to leave my house. And now I can say I'm technically a part of the front lines.
Once you guys come in, I'll lock it up.
Port Morris Distillery is a micro distillery. We actually create alcohol in the South Bronx. We're actually the only distillery in the South Bronx right now. My partner and I, Billy, we were born and raised on the Upper West Side in the Douglas housing projects. The South Bronx, we've been in business here a little over 12 years now. We used to do tours and tastings in here. We create a spirit here that's called Pitorro, which is a Puerto Rican moonshine. We also own the Bronx Tavern that's right next door. That's been closed for the last 4 to 5 weeks now. Before the pandemic, this was a nice place to come hang out, listen to music, have cocktails, food. You can also do tours, visit the facility, see exactly how we make it. The warehouse was more set up more like a lounge area where you can come, play dominoes, have some drinks, drink some beer, and, just hang out. A nice libation spot. There's definitely music, definitely culture. There was a Latin culture, but we say everything culture. Like, everyone is definitely accepted in here. Definitely a nice spot to come visit. Oh, no, there was no adapt for us. We realized that, we're probably about 4 to 6 months away from totally just closing down. We closed our doors down, I think about 5 to 6 days before anyone else did. And then the city just shut down. I mean, it hit us hard. I mean, we had a staff of maybe about 14 to 15 at the time between us and the Bronx Tavern. And we just laid everyone off, and that's it. It's just, taking a toll on everybody. The first 2 weeks, I guess everybody was just in shock, and we just didn't want to go anywhere. My partner calls me, and he was like, I think we should start making hand sanitizer. At the same time, my daughter KELSEY was on board with just creating the online store, because we did have some inventory that we were just trying to get rid of, just to try to pay maybe another month or 2 months rent. The FDA and the TTB, which is our regulator, and New York State Liquor Authority, they allowed us to start selling hand sanitizer and also mass producing it. So that's when we jumped on board within the last 2 weeks. Took the WHO's hand sanitizer recipe. It's really just pungent alcohol, 160 proof, with a little bit of lotion and some hydrogen peroxide to kill germs and bacteria. We just put it together here at the distillery, and we said, yeah, we can do it, let's make it. And we went full force with it and just started going in bulk. For the last 2 weeks, what we've been doing was just distilling spirits and alcohol, and just to try to get our bulk up. Everything just coincided with us making the spirits, us blending the spirit, us blending the alcohol, creating the hand sanitizer, receiving bottles from Chicago so we could start selling in bulk. So we launched the online store. It actually crashed yesterday because we just couldn't hold the demand. So we just had to relaunch the website.
We added more packs, so now you can get the 1 gallon in a 4-pack instead of just purchasing 1 gallon. So that'll be most effective for people all around. So we're available for shipping in all 50 states and in Puerto Rico, so that's pretty cool.
The response has been amazing.
We left some room there so where we can give away some hand sanitizer. I reached out to the Hispanic Society and the NYPD, the 4-0 precinct, give some out to our local restaurants that are still in business. We've just donated a 5-gallon drum to a ministry that has a food bank. It's hard right now. We still have to pay rent. We still have to pay our creditors. We paid our bills this month. It's tough, man. Small businesses right now are not getting help. So it's really not advice. It's just, I hope we can all make it through here. We really didn't have a game plan. This was just something that was given to us by New York State, and they actually gave us this lifeline. Making the hand sanitizer is probably going to keep us in business. My hope is we can either get more testing or find a cure to this. Visit our website, social media, PMD Pitorro, #sanitizer. You're gonna see us on there, PortMorrisDistillery.com. Or, Instagram, PMD Pitorro. Tough time, it's an emotional time, I think, for all of us. I'm sure that the South Bronx is gonna do, that the Bronx is gonna do its thing, because that's just the way we are. So X is up all the time.
My brother, thank you, man. No, I appreciate you, man. Thank you, brother. Gracias.